Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is REDMI Note 13, and in this video I am going to show you how to install iPhone keyboard using green Apple keyboard app on this device. Alright, so to do this we have to open Play Store because we have to install from here green Apple keyboard app. So we have to install this app right here. Now we can open the app. Here we have to firstly enable green Apple keyboard. We have to switch to green Apple keyboard. And basically that's it. So look, here as you can see I have Apple keyboard and even Apple emojis. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!